This is 7th cervical vertebra. It is also known as Vertebra Prominens because of its long spinous process, the tip of which can be felt through the skin at the lower end of the knuckle furrow. Its spine is thick and long, nearly horizontal. It is nearly horizontal. It is not bifid but ends in a tubercle. The transverse processes are comparatively large in size, and the posterior root is larger than the anterior root. The anterior tubercle is absent. There is no anterior tubercle. The foramen transversarium is relatively small, sometimes double, or maybe entirely absent. It does not transmit any artery. This was the vertebra prominens.